Want to take your woodworking projects to the next level without spending a fortune? Today, we're diving into 10 of the best woodworking tools under $200 that are perfect for beginners and pros alike. From precision jigs to smart measuring gadgets, these Amazon find will transform your workshop setup. So grab your tools and let's get started. Number 1. EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set. Kickstarting the list is the EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set, a 15-piece kit built for clean, professional holes every time. It comes with tapered bits, plug cutters, and a quick change hex shank for fast switching between jobs. Beginners love how smooth and accurate the results are. No splintering, no mess. Plus, the durable storage box keeps everything organized and ready for any project. It's a total workshop essential for both new and seasoned woodworkers. Number 2. Folding Insulation Handsaw. The Folding Insulation Handsaw is a compact yet powerful cutting tool designed for foam, styrofoam, or mineral wool. Its 10-inch serrated steel blade cuts through materials like butter while staying precise. The foldable handle design ensures safety and portability on the go. Perfect for DIY home improvement or detailed finishing work. And the ergonomic grip gives you total control even during long cutting sessions. Number 3. Milescraft 8408 Center Finder. Next up is the Milescraft 8408 Center Finder, your shortcut to perfect symmetry. Just slide, mark, and you'll instantly find the center of any board. No complex math needed. It's also great for offset marking, layout lines, and aligning parts for joinery. Compact, simple, and highly accurate, this tool saves tons of time in your build process. If you're a beginner learning precision marking, this is a total game changer. Number 4. Old-school self-centering Dowel Jig Kit. The old-school self-centering Dowel Jig Kit takes your joinery skills to a new level. It automatically centers your holes and keeps every joint perfectly aligned. The adjustable design works for multiple wood widths, making it great for custom furniture builds. It's built tough for consistent accuracy every time you drill. If you're starting out and want pro-level dowel joints, this is the perfect guide tool. Number 5. Festool 491594 Quick Clamp. The Festool Quick Clamp is all about precision and stability in your workspace. It securely locks your material in place, letting you cut, drill, and sand with full control. Its quick release mechanism makes adjustments fast and easy. Whether you're clamping to a guide rail or work table, it performs flawlessly every time. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Number 6. TOOLIFE Connectable Contour Gauge with Lock. The TOOLIFE Contour Gauge is perfect for copying complex shapes and curves with total accuracy. It locks measurements in place, so you can trace patterns without any shifting. Whether you're fitting flooring, trimming corners, or shaping wood, it's your secret weapon. The connectable design lets you handle large or odd-shaped surfaces with ease. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful. This gadget belongs in every DIY kit. Number 7. Milescraft 3404 PushStick. Safety meets simplicity with a Milescraft 3404 PushStick. It gives you steady control over wood pieces while keeping your fingers away from danger. The ergonomic grip and non-slip base make it easy to handle even small parts. It's built for table saws, router tables, and joiners, keeping safety always first. Every beginner should have one of these for peace of mind in the workshop. Number 8. Milescraft Cabinet Hardware Jig. The Milescraft Cabinet Hardware Jig guarantees perfectly aligned handles and pulls every single time. It's designed for precision, helping you mark and drill holes with zero guesswork. The heavy-duty metal construction ensures consistent results across every cabinet. Beginners love how quickly it turns complex installations into a simple, repeatable process. If you want professional accuracy without expensive tools, this jig is a must-have. Number 9. WETOLS 90 Degrees Corner Clamp Set 4 PCS. The WETOLS Corner Clamp Set is a favorite for framing, box building, and cabinet assembly. Each clamp holds your wood pieces at a perfect 90-degree angle, freeing up your hands to drill or glue. The spring-loaded design makes setup quick, even for first-time builders. It's strong, reliable, and easy to adjust for different thicknesses of wood. Once you try them, you'll never go back to holding joints by hand again. Number 10. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig. Finishing off the list is the legendary Kreg Pocket Hole Jig, a must-have for strong, professional joints. It's versatile, adjustable, and ideal for furniture, shelving, or frame builds. The drill guides and clamping system make every pocket hole perfect,